Alright, welcome back. Today we are going to create a button and then we're going to attach a really simple JavaScript function so we can get that button to show the date and time. I'm all coffeeed up and ready to go. Alright, let's start with the button. There we go, one button. Do you need type button on button? I don't think so. You could put type button, but I don't know what else other type of button you'd really have, would you? Alright, onclick equals, oh, we haven't even got an element yet. Let's actually pause this button, and then below this we will add our element, a div, and we will call it id equals my date. Ooh, my date, very good. All right, so we have a div with the ID of my date, and now we have a button, and the label on the button will put click me for the date and time, and an emoji because I love emojis. Time. Ooh. An hourglass or a clock. Does this work? Yes, click me for the date and time, and we should get an error because we haven't attached anything yet. So on our button, we're going to put on click, and we're going to say document, which is our document here. So it'll look in here, and we're going to go get element by ID, and this is going to get our element here by its ID of, and let's put a brackets and one of these, and the ID is my date. We're going to get this element by ID of my date, and we're going to set its inner HTML to date. Actually, I think it's capital date string, and then we'll end it with one of them, even though we might not need to. I think that's optional, that bit. And now we will refresh and click, and look, we have Monday, February the 3rd, 2025, and we're in Australia. Amazing. A button that you can click to get the date and time. So there we go, that's the whole thing. Button on click, document get element by ID, my date, set the inner HTML to date. And why do I always forget to set word wrap on here? Always, always, always. And there we go. Anyway, that's been a nice, quick, click me for the date and time button JavaScript tutorial. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.